Who would have thought that a fixture this small could provide perimeter lighting, pathway lighting, even accent lighting? This is GMLighting's 12-volt, 1-watt pathway lighting.
Available in square, round, and round scoop formats, these 12-volt pathway lights provide a 3000K color temperature that defines simple or complex pathways, driveways, property lines, and other areas where light defines boundaries. These 1-watt luminaires boast 90 lumens and are available in black, brushed nickel, and white finishes.
Let's get started on an installation. We were going to try to install these lights in a hot tub, but with our budget, best we could get with these cedar planks.
Installing a pathway light couldn't be easier. All you need to install is a 1 3/8 inch hole saw, a pair of wire clippers, and some wire nuts to connect to 12-volt power. Drill a 1 3/8 inch hole, pull the 12-volt power leads out, connect the pathway light to the power leads, tuck the power leads back into the hole. Push the pathway light into the hole, making sure that the springs are captured, holding the pathway light snug against the hole.